Effective management is a cornerstone of successful organizations. It is a dynamic process that requires collaboration and adaptability. In this video, we will explore 7 key skills that define exemplary management. The first skill is the ability to set a clear and lucid description of the task's purpose. A well-defined purpose serves as a guiding light for the team, aligning their efforts towards a common objective. By articulating the why behind a project, the manager helps the team stay focused and purpose-driven. The second essential skill is role allocation. A good manager identifies the strengths and competencies of each team member and assigns specific roles accordingly. This not only enhances efficiency, but also ensures accountability, as each person knows exactly what is expected of them. The third skill is collaboration. A skilled manager collaborates with the team. Collaboration goes beyond mere delegation. It involves building a team of competent and skilled individuals who bring diverse expertise to the table. By fostering an environment of trust and mutual respect, the manager ensures every member feels valued and motivated to contribute to the shared goal. The fourth skill is the development of a comprehensive management plan with clear deadlines. This plan acts as a roadmap for the team, breaking down the project into manageable phases. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and momentum, ensuring steady progress towards the ultimate goal. Deadlines and methods must be discussed with the team members. An effective manager also ensures regular progress updates through reports from team members, which is the fifth key skill. By staying informed about the project status, the manager can identify potential roadblocks early and provide timely guidance to keep the team on track. The manager ought not to make decisions that affect more than one member of a team, without informing all relevant role players. The sixth skill involves encouraging and motivating team members. Recognizing and appreciating their efforts fosters morale and inspires them to maintain high standards of performance of the goal. Acknowledgement of the team's efforts will encourage achievement. A supportive manager builds confidence and resilience within the team. Finally, the manager must excel at updating all team members about the project's progress and any changes that may arise. Transparency and open communication prevent misunderstandings, tensions, and conflicts. By keeping everyone informed, the manager ensures the team remains cohesive and adaptive. In conclusion, effective management requires clear communication and consistency. By mastering these 7 skills, managers can drive their teams to achieve outstanding results while fostering a harmonious and productive work environment. Remember, great management is not just about achieving goals, but about empowering and developing people to reach their potential.